Hello everyone and welcome. In today's review, we're going to be looking at Heygen. Yes, Heygen review. Once it's the AI video platform you need. So if you need a solution that's both affordable and efficient, Heygen AI powered platform may be the answer. So let's find out if it actually does live up to the hype. Now, we're going to look at its features, pricing, overall performance to help us decide if it's the right video creation tool for you. What is Heygen? Now, Heygen is an AI-powered video creation platform designed to simplify video production. It eliminates the need for complex software or equipment and also makes it accessible to all. It uses AI to generate high-quality videos from text input. One standout feature is its library of lifelike AI avatars that can customize and deliver the script naturally. You can also create your instant avatar for a personal touch. Heygen is perfect for marketers, educators, and business owners seeking an efficient solution for their video creation needs. Every video you have in every language you need. You can also do it live. Your customers can speak to your avatar live. They ask questions and avatar responds using your knowledge base and an LLM to enable a natural conversation with a person to painful interaction with the chat box. So you can personalize a message without a person too. It is secure, responsible, and ethical. So these are all made with Heygen, so you can check it out. So if you're ready, these are the voices, these are the AI voices that you can customize. Now the features are AI avatars, AI voices, AI tools, product overviews, scaled outreach, API integration, partners, and app integration. So the products are avatar video, API, video translation, personalized video, and interactive avatars. So let's look at the pricing first before we get started. Let's look at the pricing plans. So to choose perfect plan for you, we have monthly billing and yearly billing. Of course, yearly billing you save up to 20%. So let's look at the monthly billing. We have the free version here that includes all this. You get 3 videos per month, videos up to 3 minutes. You can export it up to 72p. And it includes one custom video avatar, 500 plus stock avatar looks, and AI trust and safety, share and export videos and standard video processing. So for creator, you pay $29 per month, get all this. You can pay for team, you can pay $29 per month per seat, get all this. And then if you want to use enterprise, you have to contact sales to get the price. You can also compare using this. You also have the Heygen beta. Check out the latest innovations and stay tuned for exciting updates and learn more about the API pricing and API plans and pricing here. So let us get ready to create. Let's use a free plan. Get started. Anyway, alright, so we're through that. You mark this and then click on create account. So we're in. So what's the next thing? Brings us back here. Why? We've already chosen free. Okay, let's see. Choose free again. Okay, I have to click choose free again. So welcome to Heygen and click on let's go. What would I like to do first? Let's create an avatar, create a video with stock. Let's create a video. So let's make a landscape video. Preferred language, English is okay for me. So next step. So I want to see if we can create a video using an AI spokesperson. He's bringing me here back to this place. I want free. So about the background is kind of very active today. So it seems for whatever reason they keep bringing me back there. Okay, let's keep it to explore by ourselves. Next step, what would we like to create with Heygen? Then click on next after choosing. Following best describes your role. Let's just say this. Click on next. What's of your team? Just me. This next. How do you hear about them? As you say, App Store. And then we submit. So here we are. This is the dashboard. It looks really good. So let's try a video. Okay, let's see. Let's put in the scripts. Let's try a new script. Isn't it teaching us how to write the script? And then I just want to create a simple video. Okay, let's try templates. Okay, let's use this one. So, how do we type it? How do we put in the okay, so let's change it. So we're gonna change it then. Okay, so you click on what is being said. Let's see if we can change it there. Or is it here? Okay, it's here. Alright. So let's put in something else. Let's put something simple. Error for this generation. Why? Okay, let's play it for me and see. See, that's really nice. So you can add more if you want to. Over here, you add more stuff to say. So that's it. So it won't download. Let's see if it's to download it. It's okay, thank you very much. Is there a way to download it without being, of course, without use? Okay, let's say this is download. You can download the script. You can upload the script. You can get tips for script writing. You can integrate a script writer. You can change, so transcribe all the scripts. And what is this? Nothing's happening there. Okay, so that's it. It seems that is all. So as we've seen the pricing. Let's look at the pros and cons. It's user friendly, wide range of avatar, AI avatars, quick video generation, advanced AI features, affordable pricing. But what are the cons? Learning curve is for some features are really steep. Like now you can see I'm trying to do a lot of things and I can't even do them. So it doesn't. This is even under the script, so I don't like that. So it has limited connection options, requires internet connection, and there's potential for uncanny value effect. And like I said about the learning curve, which is the main problem. Like now it's not easy to find out how to play the videos, how to do this, how to do that. You have to figure it out yourself. So it's a very powerful tool, but not the only option out there. The alternatives are in video, pictorial, the script. We have vid and we have video lib. So I would say overall it's an invaluable tool for anyone who needs to create engaging video content quickly and easily. So it has its limits, its benefits also, but the benefits kind of outweighs the drawback. So if you're looking for an affordable, efficient way to create professional quality videos, Heygen is definitely worth considering.